Well, hello my dear companions and welcome to yet another unboxing video. I got another package here and I'm really excited about it because I talked with them like a long time ago and I nearly forgot about it and it popped up in the mail and I'm really excited. It's the JapanCrate. If you don't know about it, it's pretty much a monthly subscription of Japanese candy and snacks. And you can get them in 3 different sizes. You can get the mini version, you can get the original version, or you can get the premium version. I didn't know they would send me the premium version, so it's a lot of candy in here. It's a lot of candy in here. So pretty much in the mini version, there are 5 items and a half-pound crate. In the original one, it's 10 items, 1 do-your-own kit, and 1.5-pound crate. In the premium version, the one I've got that we're gonna unbox, there are 15 items and a drink and do your own kit and a bonus item. Oh! So we're gonna eat a lot of snacks, guys. Let's start. So let's open this up. So the thing is, if you want to get your very own box, doesn't matter what size, the mini, original or the premium, if you use the code Zalzar when you order it, you will get $3 off from the like a discount from the box, so you're welcome. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. There are a lot of stuff in here. Holy shit. Holy shit, look at that. Oh, I'm gonna be so fat, guys. Wow. Let's start. I think I'm gonna put it here so we can just check what this is. Lucky Scratcher, anniversary celebration and vanquish the free to magic candy key. So the first item is a Lucky Scratcher anniversary celebration to... Okay, what is this? We're gonna scratch, guys. We're gonna scratch. Let's do it. See for what we won. What did we win? What did we win? 25% off any purchase from our new online store. Oh! You won't have to see the code because I'm going to use that. Let's move to the next one. So the next thing is the JapanCrate manga Cine. It's for it's a 15th volume for September. So it's pretty much, I don't know what it really says in here. Let's see. Oh, I think they're describing the candies. I don't want to read that right now. So it's pretty much like a mini manga. Oh, that's the candies. That's the candies. Yeah, candies. That's one, but I think they pretty much describe the candies. It's like a mini manga. We also have like things that are gonna happen in Japan. For example, in September we have the Tokyo Game Show, for example, so it's nice. It's a nice little volume. Love it. So the first item is pretty much Mugipon. It's pretty much like a Cocoa Puffs, if you can say so. I think there are more of them in here, but I think I should drink them with milk. But let's open it up and just see how it is. Milk coffee. Let's try them. Let's try them. Oh, wow. They really smell like milk and coffee latte. I think you can eat them like this as well. Yeah, pretty much like... Oh. Oh. It really tastes like Cocoa Puffs. Yeah, I can imagine having this in a bowl with the milk. Gonna try that. So let's move to the next Mugipon. There are 3 in the box as I understand it. This is the little one. As I said, my Japanese isn't that good, so I can't really read what it says. I know what it says here back there though. Wheat cracker. Pretty much what it was in the other one as well. Takaoka Ishigo Mugi. We also have the other stuff. This looks like strawberry flavored. Come on, open up. We have so many stuff to eat, guys, so I don't know how I'm just gonna do this. Let's try it though. Oh, it tastes like pretty much similar to the other ones, like a wheat cracker, like the Cocoa Puff, wheat puff, if you say so, but with strawberry. Love it. So next up we have the Shoe Wing straw candy cola flavor. Sorry, I have to read because I don't understand exactly what it is just by looking at the box. So pretty much sour straws, if you say so. Let's taste them. Oh, that really smells like cola. Ah. Yeah. Oh, the sour. I like it. Really damn good, really damn good. I can't eat everything. If I eat everything from each box now, I won't be able to make it because there are a lot of stuff. Let's move to the next one. So next up we have the Geek Cocoa Bar. It's pretty much like a crunchy cocoa bar, as I understand it. Let's try it. This is awesome, guys. I will try to see if I can get a subscription for these boxes because these are damn good candy so far. Pretty much chocolate and wheat cracker and pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. Let's move to the next one. I just realized I can't take too much time on each item because this will be a long video out either way. Let's go with this one. What is this? This is the Lucky Corn Puffs. Look at that. It looks like ostbågar in Swedish, but balls. Cheese balls, pretty much. Come on, little balls. Get the balls out there. Oh, whoa, not that many. Look how lovely they look. Yeah. Really smells like and tastes like corn. Really sweet, actually. We also got the bonus item, guys. Look at that, look at that. It's like a mini bunny. It's the, let's see if I get it right. It's like as part of our 2-year anniversary or celebration, all the JapanCrates include this little bonus item, little bunny. It's part of its own mini game. Okay. Pote usa lopi is his own. It's like a mini bunny. So adorable. Which is like a kawaii character by the Japanese arcade prize maker Amuse. Cute little bunny with loppy ears. It's a cute little bunny. Blah blah blah. Playing with these. Awesome. Next up, Pikachu grape gum. Okay, I can roll with that. Let's try it. Why did I put all of it in my mouth? Oh, that's a lot of gum. It's pretty good. Let's move to the next one. So next up we have the Khaki Choco. It's pretty much like a key-shaped thing with small candies in them. So it's pretty much a favorite, an old-time favorite in the dagashi shops. And let's gonna try one of these. They don't taste much. Oh, it's chocolate. It's chocolate. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that. It's maybe too small. Camera, love ya. Camera. Anyhow, it's pretty much chocolate in them. Good. So next up we have the soda gum. So it's pretty much soda flavored gum. But what kind of flavored soda is it supposed to be? I don't know, but let's try it out. How would I open this? Why is it so long? Okay. Okay. It's not the gum. I can't really say it tastes like soda though. Or maybe like orange or lemon soda. Good, like it. So next up we have cotton candy, Osanpo Watagashi. So let's try it out. It's very fluffy. I love these unboxing videos so far. Oh, it's a lot of it. I can't eat all of it right now. It really is cotton candy. Let's fucking eat it all, guys. Pretty much cotton candy in in a bag. I can't eat it all now. But it's pretty good. It's pretty damn good. Potato chips, black pepper. There we go. Oh, yeah. That's black pepper. They really taste good. Ooh. It's a lot of black pepper on them. I actually really like black pepper and spicy things on my crisps, so this was really good. This was pretty much my favorite so far, I think. So next up we have sweet potato chips, pretty much. Usatsu Diki salt and butter flavored chips. Let's try it. Come on. Fuck it, let's do like this. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Smells a lot of butter. It smells a lot of butter. And they are thicker than normal crisps. Of course, due to the sweet potato. Yeah. Ooh. I like them though. But it's no salt really, it's just sweet potato and butter. Pretty good. So next up we have the Everyone Cookie Matcha flavor. Matcha is pretty much a green tea powder, which pretty much is used for coloring and taste in different bakeries and stuff. So let's try these little cookies. I think I'm gonna just do like this. Like this. Oh! Cool, they are individually packed. Cool. Look at that. Come on, camera, for the love of God. Focus on this one. Focus on this one, please. There we go. It's a matcha flavored cookie, pretty much. Mmm. 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 That is good. That is good. Oh, yeah. Mmm. This. Wow. The matcha flavored cookies I think is my favorite so far. Let's move on. We also have a little soda, because I think it was included in... Yeah, the soda is only included in the premium version, so awesome, because now I've eaten a lot, I need to drink something. So what is this? This is pineapple, I see. Pineapple and lemon? Let's see. Shua, pineapple and mango. It was mango, so cool. I like mango, especially in ice cream. It's soda? Yeah, it's soda. But, oh, pineapple. Mmm, that is really good. I've had pineapple soda before, but not with mango as well. That tastes good, that tastes good. Like it. I was a bit that it would explode when I opened it, but it had made the trip either way, but it was pretty good. A lot of pineapple flavor. Awesome. So the last thing, finally, is the do your own kit. It's pretty much Moko Wash. Do your own kit. I'm gonna read what it is. A new release in Japan, Moko Wash is a quirky do your own kit that has you make a yogurt flavored drink in a washing machine. Add the soap and water in the machine and set it on spin cycle. Read instructions on page 13. I'm gonna read that because we're gonna make some soda, or not soda, soap yogurt flavored drink. Let's try that. This is pretty much how it looks on the back of it. As I said, I can't really read Japanese that good, so we're gonna go with the pictures. Oh my god. So whoever did a straw? I guess this is the soap. We literally have a whole little washing machine. Oh, we can put... Oh my god. This is adorable. I don't know how I should do this though so that you can see. But we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. So pretty much first, build your Moko machine, the wash machine. Let's do it. Then what? We're gonna put it here? No? Yes? No? Yes? Yes? No? Why are we... Ah, I see. So we have the backdrop here. We're gonna put this little wheel here. So it's literally gonna spin, I guess. And then we'll put... Okay, I see. And then everything... Okay. I don't know if you can see, but it's literally spinning now inside. This is so adorable. So now we have the Moko wash machine. So now we're gonna decorate this little shit. This is a little bandage. Where should we has the bandage on the back of it. Ah, look at, okay, cool. Here. So we're gonna have it like this, and this will be the front. Boom! There is my little washing machine. Doesn't really quite look as the machine on the box, but it doesn't matter, you can make your own. That's kind of the whole idea. So now I've spent 5 minutes to build this washing machine. Let's make some yogurt drink. Fill water to line. I don't see the line. What line do you mean? Fill water up to the line. Okay, let's roll with it. Some water, we're gonna get 2 scoops of the powder, the soap. So let's say, please let not spill here now. Please. This is so dumb, guys, but this is so awesome as well. 1 little spoon. So there are more than 2 spoons here, so you can make it 2 times if you want to. Close it up, and let's watch this. There we go. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see though. Wait, there we go. It's bubbling up here. It's so cool. Can I drink this? Well, I'm supposed to drink it with a straw. Of course. Of course. Guys, this is... It tastes like sour milkshake, pretty much. Really sour. All this for just that. But it's awesome. I love it. I love it. So anyhow, hope you enjoy guys this little or big kind of unboxing of Japanese candy and snacks video. I really hope I can get more collaboration together with oh, I'm full. Together with JapanCrate, and hope you enjoyed. As I said, use the code Zalzar if you want to get $3 off discount when you order the box. It's a monthly box and you can add like a subscription to either box, the mini, original or the premium. So anyhow, hope you enjoyed. Stay awesome. I'll see you soon. Toodeloo!